Namaskaram, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. In Drishyam 2025, two of the stories that we did, Bharadwaja and Savitragni, as well as Nachiketas and Lord Yama, these two would have been impossible for the level of detail we have gone into in interpreting the lines in Vedas. Typically, this is possible only for somebody who has probably gone through 25 years of Vedic education, has learnt Vyakaranam, which is the grammar in Sanskrit, and then understood the Bhashyam or the meaning of Vedas. Only for such people it would have been possible. By Guru's grace and God's grace, I had the rare opportunity to spend over a month at Kaladi this year, and that stay was instrumental in making these two stories acts possible. I am deeply indebted to Sri Seshadrinatha Shastrigal at Kaladi. My time there, when I was perusing his library, is when I came across some rare books which really helped me interpret these two stories the way I did. And we had a really authentic rendition of these two stories. So I'm really deeply indebted to him. Thank you. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.
कुमारकुं संतं दक्षिणासु नीयमानासु श्रद्धा विवेश सहोवाच तत कस्मै मान्दा आस्यसीति द्वितीयं तृतीयं तगुंहपरीत उवाच मृत्यवे त्वा ददामीति तगुंहस्मोत्थितं वागभिवदति The Ashariri there is talking to the father and the son, advising the son, your father has told you, go to Yamaloka, but how are you going to do it? When you see Yama, when are you going to see him first of all? The timing. And after you have seen him, the Lord of Death, what are you going to ask him? What are you going to answer if he asks you something? So the Ashariri prepares Nachiketas before he even takes on the journey to Yamaloka, and therein lies the chosen aspect of Nachiketas. He was not really a genius when he started the journey to Yamaloka, but he was prepared by, you can call it fate, God, whatever you want, but he was prepared by something that made him go through the journey. Let's continue with the journey.
ಸಮ್ರಾಟನು ಮೃತ್ಯುವಿಗೆ ಮೃತ್ಯುವೇ ಲೋಕವು ಸಮ್ರಾಟನು ಮೃತ್ಯುವಿಗೆ ಮೃತ್ಯುವೇ ಮೃತ್ಯುವಿಗೆ
किं प्रथमागं रात्रिमाश्ना इति प्रजान्त इति किं द्वितीयामिति पशुगुस्त इति किं तृतीयामिति साधुकृत्यान्त इति नमस्ते अस्तु भगव इति होवाच वरं वृणीष्वेति पितरमेव जीवन्नयानीति द्वितीयं वृणीष्वेति इष्टापूर्तयोर्मे क्षितिं ब्रूहीति होवाच तस्मै हैतमग्निन्नाचिकेतमुवाच ततो वै तस्येष्टापूर्तेना क्षीयेते नास्येष्टापूर्ते क्षीयेते यो अग्निन्नाचिकेतं चिनुते य उचैनमेवं वेद तृतीयं वृणीष्वेति तस्मै हैतमग्निन्नाचिकेतमुवाच ततो वै सोपपुनर्मृत्युमजयते अपपुनर्मृत्युञ्जयति यो अग्निन्नाचिकेतं चिनुते य उचैनमेवं वेद प्रजापतेर्वै प्रजाकामस्त्वपोतप्यत तदग्नौ प्रास्यते तदस्मै नाच्छदयते तद्वितीयं प्रास्यते तदस्मै नैवाच्छदयते तत्तृतीयं प्रास्यते तदस्मै नैवाच्छदयते तदात्मन्नेव हृदये एग्नौ वै ईश्वानरे प्रास्यते तदस्मा अच्छदयते तस्माद् हिरण्यं कनिष्ठं धनानाम्
सिद्ध विद्याधर सिद्धेन्द्र योगीवर श्री कुचेलपुर आश्रित मंदार सिद्ध विद्याधर